Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can hide your chats in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone and you can see the home option on the bottom corner. So before you click that, you can just go ahead and tap on any chat. And as you tap it, you can see the option of hide, mute, pin chat and delete. What you need to do is click on hide if you really want to hide the chat. Go ahead and tap on hide and you can see that your messages or chat has been hidden. Wondering where you can find it? Click on home on the bottom left hand corner and click on settings on the top right hand. Click on this gear icon. Scroll a little bit down and you can see chats under general. Go ahead and tap on chats. Scroll all the way down and you can see the hidden chats option. Go ahead and tap on hidden chats and you can see you can now access this hidden chat. Go ahead and tap on edit and you can see there is option of unhide chat and delete. So if you want to delete the chat, you can do that, or else you can click on unhide chat and it will be back to your chats option. So guys, I hope this video about how you can hide your chats in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.